The challenge of Thin was to really make a very effective weight loss product, and that goes right to the ingredients that suppress appetite. We were able to find a material in Brazil that's all natural and is a very effective appetite suppressant. But the other challenge with Thin was to make a really good tasting energy drink, and we accomplished that as well. Zowie has two energy products. One's called Energy and the other is called Thin. But Thin is the product for weight loss. It's a fantastic avenue that's great tasting and truly effective. 2 to 3 maximum a day, and you will definitely see the effects of Sha de Bougre in your life. One of the special ingredients in Zowie Thin is a material called N-acetyl L-tyrosine. One of the things I was looking for was the perfect mood enhancer. Certainly when you're losing weight, there are some challenges with mood. So this is a material that naturally enhances your mood, makes you feel better and happier. Certainly you look better because you're in a weight loss mode as well. It's very effective. Zowie Thin is a very good tasting product. We spent months trying to get the taste just right. So we found a natural peach and pineapple flavor that when people crack open a can and take their first sip, it's usually a smile. I've formulated weight loss products, and I have to tell you that that population is the most difficult to deal with because there's so many failures. I want to let you know we designed Zowie Thin not to fail but to succeed. It is the most dramatic change you can make in your health to get to a healthy weight. All of the parameters of human health all go back to that moment you step on the scale at the doctor's office. Zowie Thin has effective ingredients that actually work. It's a product you can trust. You will see dramatic changes, and I know you want to see those changes, but just bear with us because we know you, having tried other products, have been very frustrated and you failed. You'll not fail with this product. The testimonials for Thin have been dramatic. The interesting thing is, as the formulator, I met most of the people when they had their first can. So weeks and months later now, I have seen people that walk up to me that really look quite different physically. 39 pounds, 40 and 50 pounds off their human physiology. That is dramatic. And they come up and give me a big hug, and there's a lot less of them to hug, which is kind of cool.